Hey there! In this video we'll demonstrate how you can import and export a page in Gutenberg editor with WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Now from its Edit or Create view. Let's get started. I have some pages already in my WordPress and I have the plugins Gutenberg and Ultimate CSV Importer installed and activated already. Let's open a page in Edit view. These are the page content. In the Edit view, at the top right menu bar, you'll find the Import/Export menu. Click on it, and you'll see two tabs, Import and Export. Switch to the Export tab and click the Export CSV button. You'll be asked to download the CSV file with a name to your device. This is how the exported file looks like. All the page values have been exported. You can use the same file to import in your other WordPress site. Please make sure when importing the field headers are unchanged, as the plugin processes the import based on these headers. Now, let's see how to import the page. Go back to the WordPress dashboard and click on the Import/Export menu. You can import pages from the Edit page view or by visiting the Add New Page view. Click the Choose File button and upload the exported CSV file. Once you see the success message, click the Upload Import button. The page will be imported in a few seconds. You'll see a confirmation message after import. Click the Click Here button to view the newly imported page. All the page CSV field values have been successfully imported. That's it. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.